Ulat ni Patrick de Jesus.
Tatlong magkakasunod na linggo na may joint maritime activity sa West Philippine Sea. Pinakahuli ay ang maritime cooperative activity sa pagitan ng Armed Forces of the Philippines at French Navy noong Biyernes, kung saan kasama sa naglayag ang aircraft carrier ng Pransya na Charles de Gaulle, habang lumipad din sa himpapawid ng West Philippine Sea ang kanilang Rafale multi-role fighter jets. Sabi ng AFP, walang anumang barko ng China na namonitor sa bisinidad ng pagsasanay.
They were at a distance of more than 120 nautical miles away.
Asahan naman ang mas marami pang multilateral sale, katuwang ang iba pang bansa, kung saan napansin ng AFP na nababawasan ang panghihimasok ng mga barko ng PLA Navy ng China tuwing may mga ganitong aktibidad.
Actions of the government to bring in other nations to observe and protect the rules-based international order are very much welcome, and we have noted a marked decrease in the illegal and coercive actions of the PLA Navy each time there is a multilateral or bilateral maritime cooperative activity.
Samantala, handa ang Philippine Air Force na mag-escort sa mga maritime domain awareness flight. Ito'y matapos malagay sa panganib ang eroplano ng BIFAR noong nakaraang linggo dahil sa delikadong pagmaniobra ng military helicopter ng China sa Scarborough Shoal.
Whenever we are called upon to deploy our air assets to support other aircraft operating, be it civilian aircraft or another military aircraft, the Air Force is capable.
Inaasahan namang magpapatuloy ang iba pang proyekto ng AFP na sakop ng $336 million ng security aid mula Amerika, matapos itong i-exempt sa freeze order ng administrasyon ni US President Donald Trump.
This is a welcome development on our part, and we are glad to continue. And it also signals basically our strong, long-standing relationship with the U.S. and the Philippines.
There are already particular programs that Higher Headquarters has mapped out for this year and even in the years to come. This will include activities on sea, air, and land, and even our support systems, cyber, and other areas.
Patrick de Jesus para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.